Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Dear student, welcome to your course of Communication Techniques in English. I'm Mrs. Bilhouala Khadija from Ain Timousent University. So in this video we will learn about, first of all, critical reading, then argumentative writing. After that we will move to abstract writing and finally referencing, in which these skills are very important for your academic success, especially this year. Okay, so this for the first chapter. Okay, now let's start with critical reading. A critical reading is not just reading, it means understanding and thinking deeply. When you read a text, you should ask 3 different questions. The first one, what is the topic? Okay. The second one, what is the author purpose? The third one and the last one, what are the arguments? Let's see an example. Artificial intelligence will replace many jobs. However, it will also create new jobs. Here, the topic is artificial intelligence. And there are 2 arguments. The first one, AI replaces jobs. Second one, AI creates jobs. So critical reading helps us understand ideas clearly and deeply at the same time. To conclude this part, critical reading equals understand plus analyze. And now let's move to argumentative writing. An argumentative essay has a clear structure with 3 different parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. In the introduction, we present the topic. In the body, we give argument and examples. In the conclusion, we summarize ideas. Here an example from thesis. Artificial intelligence has more benefits than risks. Another example as paragraph. One major benefit of AI is efficiency. For example, AI can process data very fast, so companies become more productive. So, in this paragraph has argument, example, conclusion. We talk about argument when we say or when we said one major benefit of AI is efficiency. Example, when we say the phrase of, for example, AI can process data very fast. And for conclusion, when we say, so companies become more productive. Okay, here the structure is introduction, body, conclusion. At the same time, we have argument plus example plus results. Now let's talk about the third part of our course, the abstract. An abstract is a short summary of a research paper. It's usually between 150 and 250 words, in which a good abstract has 5 parts or 5 conditions: background, objective, method, result, and conclusion. For example, this study investigates irrigation methods. An experiment was done. Results show that drip irrigation increased productivity, and this method is very effective. So, plus the conditions are the 5 parts. The abstract must be short, clear, and direct. So as equation, abstract equals short summary with structure of from 5 different parts: background, objective, method, result, and conclusion. Finally, so last but not the least, let's talk about referencing. This part is very important. It helps us to give credit to authors and avoid plagiarism. For example, the phrase renewable energy is important. We took this information from previous study of Smith. So according to Smith 2020, renewable energy is important. So we should cite the author as following: Smith, his name, with the year of the study, full stop, the title of the paper, the book, or the article. So the title of research paper. Okay? So always cite your sources. To avoid plagiarism, you should write or take information and cite the source to do the right thing. Okay? So to conclude, today we learned critical reading, argumentative writing, abstract writing, referencing. These skills will help you improve your English communication. So thank you for watching. See you in the next session.